Welcome back to the Cobra Trading Channel, everyone. Today we have a special guest, another prime partner with Cobra Trading. It is Jay Sutherland with TradePulse, and they specialize in order flow. This is a video you don't want to miss, so welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and share it with someone else. Jay, take it away.
Thank you, Cobra Trading, for having me as part of your special guest series. My name is Jay Sutherland. I'm the Senior Vice President and Sales Director for TradePulse Technologies, a trading platform for short-term aggressive trading using what we call order flow analytics. And what we mean by order flow analytics is we look at in real-time data, we look at the retail order flow, institutional order flow, and we have, through our algorithm, signals that are provided based on that data to give you good entry points on a short-term aggressive trade on what we call a power inflow. And what I want to do is share my screen with you right now. All right, so what we're measuring here is what we call momentum flow, which is a real-time estimated retail market flow over a short period of time. Daily flow, which is that same data over a week's period of time. Institutional order flow, or large deal, this would be mutual funds, hedge funds, non-retail order flow. Smart money is what's sometimes called. And then we also have a signal, what we call a power inflow. And I'm going to show you an example of all of these on a slide here in just 1 second. At the end of the day, what we are doing is giving short-term aggressive traders a tool that they can rely on with data as opposed to hunches or message boards. And it gives you something that's repeatable, and while it's nothing is 100%, it stacks the deck in your favor. So let me share a slide with you right now to show you what this can look like. All right, I'm going to show you, this is from Facebook at the end of October, rather the beginning of November. So as I mentioned before, we are measuring what we call short-term momentum flow, which are represented by these bar charts. Green is positive, red is negative. And this is throughout the day. So this is from the open to the close. So you can see early in the morning it was higher, then there was negative retail momentum. This is the purple line, is that same data smoothed out over a 5-day period. And then the large deal flow, which I mentioned earlier, this is represented by this blue line you see here. This is institutional order flow. The black line is the price of the stock itself. So this is from 9:30 in the morning to 4 o'clock in the afternoon to the close. Now this green bar you see right here, this is what we call a power inflow. A power inflow is our algorithm that is proprietary, that detects a change in the order flow on really across all sectors, retail, but most importantly, large institutional order flow. And a reversal is what we're really pointing out. This occurs maybe 12 to 14 times a day, and it's only in the first 2 hours of trading that we do this measurement. So there are, some days there's maybe more, some days maybe less. So you can see here a power inflow came in on Facebook Meta at just below around 583 was the price of the stock. And what I think is important in this example, you can see the stock was trending lower in the early session, and then around 10:30, it was about ready to turn around. We got that power inflow that indicated that there was a good chance of a turnaround, and indeed that's what happened. And you can see the stock then climbed up well over 595, 596, 597 for the day. So 15, 16 points. And you can use this tool a couple of different ways. Some people will buy the stock and trade it this way. You can also use options on this. What I found to be a successful strategy used in the money calls will give you more leverage in a stock like Meta, which is over $500 a share. The power inflow came in around 583. Maybe you buy the 560 call that expires that week, and so now you've turned a $500 stock into a $30 stock perhaps. And then this move becomes that much more meaningful, obviously. So now our system does not have a sell signal per se, an algorithm for a sell signal. So you need to use some good management of your trade. But one thing that I have found that can give you an extra tool to operate with is that blue line, the institutional order flow. If that rolls over after having a nice rise throughout the day and then rolls over maybe toward the end of the day, and you're looking for a very short-term trade, that might be a good signal for sales. That's an overview of what the platform looks like and how we utilize it and how traders utilize it. A little background on our company. We were formed in South Korea in 2019 and partnered with 4 of the top 5 brokerage firms in South Korea. We have well over 400,000 users in South Korea with roughly 2 million page views a day. So it's utilized throughout the day for aggressive short-term traders. We launched in the United States in last year, 2023. I was brought on board. I come from the industry. I was a broker for many, many years and then have worked in the fintech world for the last 10 years. And I joined the team last year and am the head of the sales department here in the United States. Now, we've partnered with Cobra here to bring this to the Cobra universe clients. To give them an extra tool they can utilize to be more successful if they're doing some short-term trading. I should also point out this is definitely not for a long-term investor, but you can use this in what we call swing trading for over a period of time, because there are examples when this power inflow may happen on successive days on a stock. So for individuals looking for maybe a little bit longer term than a 1 or 2 day trade, you can utilize it, but it's not for the buy and hold investor, unless buy and hold investor just would like to see why the stock is moving up or down on a given day. I think it might make sense. But we also have some tools and educational materials for people using the platform. And then we have a customer support team as well that can answer any questions that you have using it. We do offer different levels of service, but with Cobra, we have a specific service we offer for you with your Cobra Prime, and I'm sure they have more details on that. So I appreciate your time looking at this. My name is Jay Sutherland. As I said before, if anybody has any questions specifically, and I'd be happy to answer them for them, you can reach me. My telephone number is 321-427-1443, and I'm happy to get back to you to answer those questions. We thank Cobra, and we really look forward to working with them. And thank you for your time watching our presentation, a brief overview of how TradePulse works for short-term aggressive traders. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jay, for diving deep into TradePulse and giving us that insight. If you have any questions after watching this video, make sure to go to cobratrading.com. The link is in the description below. Open up a live chat window and ask for more.